This is Anil Bishoyi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, I know many of you are doing amazing things in your life and you are always in a constant way of inventing yourself to do better and better in life. So here I am to give you some insights which is very much essential in today's world to having a different perspective in life and to help others and how you can improve upon yourself and to do a fabulous thing throughout your life basing on your interests. So today I will speak a very important aspect, and this is going to be very motivating because many of the people, they really do not know how to do and create a larger impact and help others to create an inspiration. So here I am with 6 I's. I have given it the name the power of I. What is power of I? First I have given as an individual. First I is for individual. What kind of a person I am as an individual? What are my ideas? What are my thoughts? What are my ideology? And how the things I am thinking? What are the things I want to achieve in life? Where I am passionate about? These are very important, which will determine my future achievements, and these are the things which are solely and I as an individual responsible. So everything starts with I. You have to think yourself as an individual who can do amazing things. There is nothing in this world that you cannot achieve. You have to think that everything you are able to achieve, that depends upon your thought process. When only two things happen, especially whatever you see around you, you see twice. First, the person who has invented or did it, he first thinks in his mind, and second time it happens in reality. So you as an individual have to do and have the perception that you can achieve fabulous things in life. As an individual, you have to think it in your mind that you are capable of doing by giving positive affirmation. Yes, I am confident. Yes, I can achieve it. Yes, nothing is beyond my reach. This is very powerful technique that every sports person, every individual, every billionaire, every successful politician, and every person who has achieved any kind of a success in life, they have done it. And that is individual greatness. They have discovered the individual greatness by discovering their passion to achieve it. Then second I is investment. What I say is investment in yourself. Investment in your time, your money, to enhance your skill, knowledge, ability, everything. Whatever you know today, that may be obsolete tomorrow. But if you constantly in a search of knowledge, in search of attaining higher skill, in search of attaining higher kind of a degrees which are essential for your job profile, for your future career plans, that you need to constantly invest time as well as energy and money. These are the three things you will definitely have to invest in yourself. And if you will do that in a constant and a habitual way, then you will come to next stage, that is influence. You will create a larger influence among the people around you. And see, whosoever will be who are today's the famous people, they are always influencing the decision of others. Say in the case of Bollywood, it is Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone and others. And in terms of cricket, you see Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And in terms of politics, you see Narendra Modi and others. In every field you will find. In a business you see Mukesh Ambani, and in other businessmen around the world you see these people create a kind of influence in the world, and with this influence they create a certain impact in the hearts and minds of the people, and they drive action in a specific direction. They drive action of all those people who are their followers in a specific direction. And if you are able to create an impact, it is very, very highly, you can say, your own achievement. That will be very, very own achievement. For that you need to sacrifice many things. Sometimes you have to go without sleeping. Sometimes you will get less time for your own entertainment. But at the end of the day, you will be having a fulfilling life by creating an impact. And then you will come to the next thing, that is your income. Income, by meaning of income, I am not saying it is only an income in forms of money. Income in forms of anything. It can be fame, it can be a satisfaction, it can be anything. It can be a peace of mind. It can be when you give your money, hard-earned money to somebody else, and graciously you have given somebody else. That means it gave you some kind of a mental satisfaction, a kind of a peace. You can imagine that will definitely come. That will income in terms of peace. So it can also be interpreted in various forms. And final, that is inspire. After doing all this, inspiring a generation. Whether the kind of a life I lived, whether that kind of a life can help other to be an inspiration of somebody, young children who can come to you and tell you, sir, I want to be like you, madam, I want to be like you. If you can give this kind of a thing to your future generation, then I am sure the time when you will go to your bed, your final sleep, then your life is a successful journey, because you have given to the next generation. Yes, they can do amazing things in life, because this life is very fulfilling and they have achieved that kind of a thing which they really want to achieve. And I personally believe all of you are able to do amazing things in life. Keep on striving hard, keep your chasing your passion. That is the reason why I have made this passionate world, in order to inspire you. I'm not only saying that you do on studies, you do whatever you want to, whatever you are feeling passionate about. If you are passionate about sports, then go and play very hard. Give whatever you have, and if you are able to do that, then nothing can stop you from achieving your dream, achieving in terms of materially, in terms of your success, in terms of your name, fame, everything. Nothing is beyond your reach. I am telling you, everything is possible. Even many of the people say that impossible starts with I am possible. It is also saying that you are possible. So I personally believe you are here to do amazing things. You follow these 6 I's which I have given you, and practice it, and help others also by sharing these 6 I's, and you can help some person change the world. Because Mahatma Gandhi once said, be the change you like to see in the world. So I personally believe, by sweating all around, I am speaking to you. Because why? I personally be the change, then I can inspire some others to be the change also. So I hope I have transplanted this idea in your mind, and do help others by sharing with others. Thank you very much.